So here we are guys, I'm at my cousin's house. So finished work today on site and come out to my cousin's place to sort these concrete pads I poured a good 2 years ago now. I built this pull fence into the hedge to keep my little niece off the road and also just a bit of security. So I've brought my new 36 volt dual battery 230mm grinder, 9-inch grinder here today, alongside my obviously 40 volt Kango concrete drill. So I'm going to use that to chip away anything this doesn't cut below the ground level. So bit of a time lapse today, bit of a video of real time as well, showing how fast it cuts. I've also got a 40 volt one on the way and I'm going to do a comparison between before I flip this and sell this. So yeah, we'll see how it runs and look forward to the next video, but away we go. So I just finished up with the grinder there and went pretty well. Super stoked, it has definitely enough power and grunt. I went through 4 5-amp batteries fully charged. Isla's, what's up Isla? You on my YouTube video? Say hi. Say very good job or not good job?
Good job.
Good job, yeah, good stuff. So yeah, it looks pretty good. See here, just cut them back nice and flat like this. And then now the grass can be kind of more, just look tidier basically. So this is a really good job. It tests the strength, and yeah, I'll come here and pack away clean all the gear up now, get all the concrete off the batteries, and we're good to go. And there we go, absolutely filthy, covered in concrete dust. Washed down my tools as you've seen and put them in the van, and yeah, back home to get warm, dry, and obviously finished cleaning my tools up. I'm not going to put them away, let them dry in the garage before I put them away again. But yeah, another cool thing coming to look forward to. I brought myself the new XGT blower there. So I'm going to go and compare that in a video soon, comparing to a 36 volt. If anyone has either one of the two, let me know what you think about them. Any reviews of your own. And yeah, got tools away, and about to leave this job here and get home to dry my tools again and make sure everything's cleaned up. Would I use this tool, use this grinder as a concrete saw if I was a concrete cutter? Is the question. Probably not, to be honest. I am impressed with the amount of power and grunt it has, but obviously to do a few batteries there. But for the most reason for me, it does what I need. And if I'm ever across just cutting a little rebate for a door, and like a door or a window install or something or whatnot, I get that extra depth. So super convenient having that over the 125. Other than that, obviously, if that was something that you wanted to do, if you're cutting concrete more often, that's when you would obviously look at just buying the concrete cutter, not the grinder. But the bonus of this one is it can be used for cutting steel and things as well, a lot more conveniently. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think. Check out all my other ones in the past. I'll put them up in the corner here. My multi-tool review or track saw, and also a performance review of the track saw coming in soon. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.